I guess you didn't notice anything strange this morning, right? Well, what if I told you that the sun suddenly vanished for 24 hours? Not behind the moon, not behind a giant cloud, actually gone. No light, no heat, no sunrise. So what would really happen? First thing, the entire planet would fall into darkness, not night, a cosmic blackout. Cities would turn into glowing islands surrounded by a sea of pure darkness. Animals would panic. Birds would stop singing. Plants would immediately start shutting down their photosynthesis. Dogs would bark nervously in the growing silence. Birds would silence mid-flight, leave cross-section animation dimming its green color. But here comes the interesting part. You wouldn't feel the cold, at least not at first, because Earth is like a giant oven. Even if you switch off the fire, it stays warm for a while. During the first hour, temperatures barely drop, but after a few hours, the planet begins to cool fast. Oceans start losing heat. Some regions drop below freezing, and countries close to the poles, they turn into giant freezes. Time-lapse of oceans darkening, Arctic regions freezing rapidly. And you think humans will stay calm? Not a chance. People rush to buy food, gasoline, batteries, anything for survival. Governments activate emergency plans, the internet slows down. Satellites lose orientation because the sun is their main reference point. But here's the most terrifying part. Without sunlight, the Earth's orbit becomes unstable. Gravity still holds us, but without the sun's pressure and radiation, tiny changes start accumulating. The planet begins to drift a little, not enough to kill us immediately, enough to scare every space agency on Earth. And just when humanity starts to panic after 24 hours exactly, the sun suddenly pops back into the sky as if nothing happened. Temperatures begin to rise. Animals wake up confused. Plants restart their life cycle. Astronomers cry from relief, and you'll just be grateful to see sunlight again because now you know one simple thing. We don't live with the sun, we survive because of it.